700 million people a week are now asking ChatGPT for recommendations instead of Googling alone or even Google AI mode. So if your business is not showing up in those answers, then you're pretty much invisible. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways on how to fix that. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to come here to ChatGPT and we're going to go to, let's say, best plumber near me. And let's see what it comes up with. Alright, wait a couple seconds here. And look, it comes back really quick with the top 3 with their licensing and a whole bunch of, Angie List recommendations, top 10 best plumbers right here. So this is the shift right here. People are doing this more and more every single day. Because why would you come over here and look for, look at all these. So many blue links here and just, there's a couple, the 3 top ones here, but then you can come over to the AI mode and it's boom right here. They give you the top ones and it's not so confusing, drowned with all this other nonsense. Excuse me. But because people aren't just going to be scrolling Google anymore like this. I know I don't. I'm pretty sure you guys don't. And if you do, let me know down in the comments. Because I think they're asking, like I said, ChatGPT right here, Perplexity, Google AI, and whatever other tools that you like. I would use Claude as well, and many, many others. So there are fewer spots, but the leads are actually going to be better because when AI actually mentions your business, it's already helped narrow the options down. So, all right, step 1, get on YouTube. Like, I don't even care if it's only 1 video every couple of weeks. Like, this is actually huge for AI recommendations. It's the top one that actually AI pulls from. So, when you're making the videos, make the videos questions that people have in your niche. For example, create content that, let's say you're a plumber, for instance, right? Answer the question, how do I fix a running toilet that doesn't stop? Or if you're a contractor, you should make a video about what should I ask before hiring a remodeler? Or if you're a marketer, how much should a local business spend on ads? Simple videos, real questions, clear answers, because this allows AI to pull based off of your videos. So we're going to go to how to fix a running toilet, right? For instance. Right, and this is going to come up with, look at 1 million views, and it's also going to be pulling things from whatever's on your website and whatever's on YouTube. You want all these things to match up because this is how the AI is going to know who you are and how to recommend you. So that's why you want to do the question-based content. It's huge. And all right, so step number 2, you're going to want to get mentioned by people. Like, so Reddit, for instance. You also want to get mentioned on other people's websites because AI pays attention to what other people say about you more than yourselves, of course. So like reviews, podcasts, guest videos, forums, Reddit, very huge because Reddit actually is like one of the biggest ones that actually these AI pull from because it's typically real humans conversating, so they can understand that it's going to be more real content. So what we're going to go here now is we're going to go right to step 3, and you're going to want to make AI easy for your website to read. So we're going to go over to my website right here, deeploudautomations.com. And because AI doesn't read your website like a person does. It scans for clear answers like this. Stop losing jobs to missed calls and slow follow-up. Boom. Clear. Right? The proposition value is right there. Clearly what we're doing. And then you get some testimonials right here too. So also, if your page takes too long to load, then that also hurts you. So okay, this is another one that I want to tell you guys is the FAQ section. This is huge right here. You really want to get a good FAQ section right here. Boom. So the questions that contractors ask right here. Because you want to use these real questions that your customers ask, right? How fast will they go live? What is the missed call text back? Like all these things that people are actually going to be searching for. And then you can also even use ChatGPT or any AI to find those questions from Reddit and wherever else. So, because this is a very easy win too. So, step 4, want to keep your content fresh as well. So you're going to want to continuously update new content because AI loves to give you the best and the most recent information. So, for instance, like have your blog posts. See, like, what was this? Yeah, the 13th, 12-minute read. The 10th, here's a blog for it too. And then make a YouTube video about the blog. So then these AIs can see what your blog's about and they can see what your YouTube video is about. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. 5-minute video. It's not going to take you that long because the AI prefers current information, like I said. So if it looks old and outdated, then your videos are just going to hurt you too, just like your website. If you're not continuously adapting, then you're dying, and we don't want that for you. So anything that shows a clear sign of life, okay? So step number 5 is, I think I mentioned this earlier, is use the same brand name everywhere. So for instance, we're going to go back here onto my bottom of my website, and right here, this is what we're going to do. So DiPilato Automations and John DiPilato. That's the whole branding everywhere. John DiPilato, DiPilato Automations. So on YouTube, Facebook, GitHub, LinkedIn, X, they are all under my personal brand. Yes, I also use DiPilato Automations as well. But this is very, very important because if everything's scattered, YouTube says one thing and then LinkedIn says another, and the AI gets confused and doesn't know if it's actually the same person. So use the one thing and use it everywhere. Your website, YouTube, LinkedIn, directories, guest appearances, you name it. Just do it everywhere because this helps AI connect the dots, okay? So if you want your business to show up and get AI recommendations, get on YouTube. Huge. Right here. Like I just said, YouTube is mentioned by AI and mentioned by other people. And then, like I said, make your website easy to read too. Very easy. Know exactly who it's for. Get very specific on this. And start with step number 1. Record one video answering one real question that one of your customers or clients have. And that's it. So if you guys want more videos on how to get your better GEO mixed with SEO, because SEO it's still alive, but it's transforming. So if you want more stuff like this to grow your business and have AI find you easier, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.